ready for my close-up. Hi everybody, welcome to this edition of Teen LibCrate, Winter Edition. Y'all may have gotten some LibCrates in the past. Maybe you're brand new. I don't know. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what's inside, and let's see what the theme is for this winter. So the theme for this Teen LibCrate is Adaptations. And I'm sure, as you can guess from the picture here, it is books to TV or movie adaptations. So it says everything that you've got inside, which is a library book, a The Book Was Better craft, a popcorn box with popcorn and candy, color-changing library cup, a QR link to a curated Spotify list, and more book recommendations, and also our library's most current book talk newsletter. And it also shows the upcoming theme, which is graphic novels. That's exciting. I can't wait for that one. So, for those of you who may not have gotten a LibCrate before and you don't know what it is, let's go over it real quick. So, it says about Teen LibCrate here in the cover. And if you've already gotten a Teen LibCrate before, you can just fast forward through this. It's fine. It says, I've got my box. What do I do now? Read the book, have a snack, make a craft. Check out the season's theme Spotify playlist, which is always fun. Let's see, Instagram it, at LaughPubLibrary, hashtag Teen LibCrate. At LaughPubLibrary is our Instagram and our Twitter. And when you're done, you return the book and this box, the white box, to the library. And then you get to keep everything else that's in the box. You just have to return the book, the box. And then keep an eye out for the next Teen LibCrate. So registration is required for this box. That registration starts on Monday, November 29th. And pickup begins on December 13th. All right. And then, of course, if you have any questions or comments, the phone number, the website, all that good stuff is on the inside. So let's open it up and see what we've got. All right. So this is pretty cool. I love stuff. I love mystery boxes, obviously. So the first thing that we've got is the color-changing cup. All right. We've got, look at this cute little popcorn bucket. It's a little baby popcorn bucket. And so you've got popcorn and you've got some candy. I don't know about you guys, but I really like to mix my candy in my popcorn. It's delicious. You should try it. It's really good. That like sweet and salty. And if you do, you're my kind of people. All right. So here we have a mini wood plank sign. So this is your craft. This is your The Book Was Better craft that I told you about at the beginning. And it's basically just a step-by-step. Let's go ahead and open this up here. So it comes with a vinyl that you put in your plank of wood here. You put the vinyl on, and then also you've got some paint. So really the only thing that you need at home is a paintbrush, or I don't know, if you want to paint with a napkin or your fingers, you can do that too. So that's all here. And when you're done with that craft, it looks a little something like this. Neat. All right, and next you will receive a book. So the book is one that there's already either a movie or a TV show that's out. And here on the cover, it'll show you where you can find that show or movie. So this one is called Panic, and on your little card that's attached here, it says you can find it on Amazon Prime Video. Then, inside your book, you've got your Spotify playlist. You just scan that little QR code there, and that'll take you straight to Spotify, which has a curated playlist by our very own librarians here at Lafayette Public Library. And then you also have another bookmark in here, which shows you kind of some similar books that you might want to check out that also have shows or movies that are out. All right. Go ahead and put that aside. All right, here we have, this is just kind of a facts page. So, do I have to return the book and the box together? Nope. The books and the LibCrate box are checked out to your account separately. So if you want to hold on to this and just bring the book back because you're nice and you just don't want it cluttering up your space, go for it. You can hold on to the book until you're done with it, then bring that back in later. Just make sure they come back. Very important. The box checks out for 3 weeks, and then you should return it. So you've got 3 weeks to hold on to it just in case. And then the book will auto-renew just like any of our other books. So if you're reading this one and you're just not quite done with it and no one has a hold on it, it'll just automatically renew and you can keep it for a little bit longer. All right. So this is when can I register? That's very important because we don't want you to miss out. So it says teens can register up to 2 weeks before the boxes check out. So that means this box comes out on December 13th. That's the first day that you can pick up. That's a Sunday. The registration for it that's a Monday. I think it is a Monday. Excellent. Had to check with the judges. Okay, so that's a Monday. Registration for it will start 2 weeks before, so that will be November 29th. You can just hop on to our calendar of events and click on it and register there. I'll put that link in the comments. The boxes come out in March, June, September, and this one will be out in December. How do I scan the Spotify QR code? Simple. You open up your camera on your phone and just hold it over the QR code and poof, there it is. All right, and then what do I get to keep? Great question. What do you get to keep? You can keep everything that's in the box. The book and the box, like I said before, the only thing that have to go back to the library. And of course, if you still have questions, feel free to call us. And then last but not least, you get the most recent issue of Book Talk newsletter. So this one is for November and December. And on the inside, it's got all kinds of programs for everyone to attend. We've got a ton of stuff going on. We're back to in-person programming, which is super exciting. So you can flip through here, see what you want to do, come check it out, hit up the calendar and register for some stuff and come see us. So that about wraps it up. Hope you guys enjoy your LibCrate for this season, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye.